guys, this is Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. Happy Mother's Day to all of the amazing moms in the world. Today we will be making chocolate chip muffins. If your mom likes chocolate, she will definitely love these muffins. So without further ado, let's get baking. To make these muffins, we will need 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of softened unsalted butter, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 egg, half a cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of oil, 3/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3/4 cup of chocolate chips. You can use whatever type of chocolate you would like. I'm using a mix of semi-sweet and milk chocolate. The first thing you will do is preheat your oven to 420 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you will take a muffin pan and you will grease it with butter or baking spray. You will take a medium-sized bowl and sift together the flour, the baking soda, the baking powder, and salt. And then you'll just whisk these together. You will set the dry ingredients aside and take a large bowl. To the bowl, you will add in the butter, and we will beat this until it is smooth. Then you will add in the sugar and mix it with the butter. Then we will add in the egg and you will mix these together. Right now the mixture should have a smooth and fluffy texture. After you have mixed those ingredients together, you will add in the milk, the oil, and the vanilla extract. You will give all of these a good mix. After we have mixed all of the wet ingredients together, we will start adding in the dry ingredients. So add in around half of the dry ingredient mixture and give this a good mix. You will add in the rest of the dry ingredients and give this another mix. To the batter, you will add in the chocolate chips and you will fold the chocolate chips into the batter. Once the muffin batter is ready, you will start putting it into the muffin pan. So you will take some of the batter and put it into the greased pan. You want to fill it all the way to the top. This won't make a mess in the oven because it is pretty thick, and this will give it a high rise. You will bake these muffins for around 5 to 6 minutes, and then you will reduce the oven's heat to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And this makes the muffins crispy on the outside, but really soft and luscious in the inside. Once you reduce the heat to 350, you will bake the muffins for around 20 minutes. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all of my new videos. Have a great Mother's Day and see you in the next video.